watching us all day.
K-pop, yan ang tawag sa kinahuhumalingang kanta, sayaw at singers na mula sa South Korea. At isa sa pinakasikat na K-pop stars sa Pilipinas ngayon, ang boy band na U-KISS. Panggulat ang unang nilang pagbisita sa bansa sa unang episode ng Party Pilipinas. At sa kanilang pagbabalik, mas lalong tumindi ang hiyawan ng mga fans. At ngayon, dito unang sasabak sa showbiz talk show ang pito. Sina Alexander, Kevin, Dongho, Ellie, Ki-bum, Hyun at Ki-seb. Handa nang isiwalat sa kanilang Pinoy fans ang sikreto sa kanilang kinalolokohang dance move sa Bingle Bingle. Live na live here on Showbiz Central, U-KISS.
Showbiz Central. Grabe mga kapuso, kung makikita nyo lang ang reaksyon ng mga tao dito sa loob ng studio, hindi ko na marinig yung sarili ko! Hello?
Hi.
Hi! You're so cute! You guys are so cute!
Mabuhay! We are U-KISS!
Welcome to Showbiz Central! Nako, eto na. Can you please, is that your latest move?
Our Bingle Bingle dance.
Oh, later. You teach me that later. Okay, can you please introduce yourselves?
Yes.
You are?
My name is Eli from U-KISS. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. My name is Dongho from U-KISS. Nice to meet you.
Okay, and you are?
Hi, everyone. My name is Ki-sub. Nice to meet you. Mabuhay! I'm Ki-sub from U-KISS. Nice meeting you guys.
Okay.
Mabuhay! I'm Kevin from U-KISS. Mabuhay! Mama, I'm Alexander. Hi. Mama, I'm from U-KISS.
Okay. I just want to ask you, who is Alex? Who's Alex?
Alexander.
Are you...
Alexander.
Ay, siya si Alex! Are you Filipino? Are you half Filipino?
No, actually, I'm
Half?
not Filipino.
There's no blood? There's no Filipino blood? Because somebody...
My surname is Eusebio, so a lot of people think that I'm...
Oh, but you're not?
I gotta have a blood test. I'll check it.
Okay. But I think you have. Anyway, sandali lang, natataranta ako sa inyo. Ang cute nyo. You guys are so cutie pie.
Thank you.
Okay, a fan wants to ask you something.
Okay.
So, where's Eliza? Eliza, where are you? We have a lucky fan. Wow.
Wow.
Okay, wait. She has... Okay,
Sorry.
Eliza, dito tayo. Kinakaya ba ng powers mo? Medyo po. Okay, she has a question for you guys.
Yeah.
Eliza, what is your question?
Hello, I'm Eliza. We just want to ask, who are single in this group and who have girlfriend?
Oh, about your love life. Are you guys single? Are you guys single? Do you have a girlfriend?
Okay.
Okay, everybody single?
He said he has a girlfriend. Single except for him.
Oh, you're taken.
No, but yeah, we got good news for everyone. We are single. Okay, we just want to say, we want to tell you guys that we are single. And do you want to be our girlfriend? Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you, Eliza. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ay! Nakakaloka.
Oh my gosh! Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nakakaloka to si Eliza. Ako nga hindi pa nakakakiss sa kanila. Anyway, guys, I have friends who wants to learn your dance step. What do you call that again?
The Bingle Bingle.
Oh yeah, I want to call in Paolo and Sweet. Where's Paolo and Sweet?
We're here.
Woo!
I am here.
Can you
Wow.
please teach my friends?
Hello.
Hi, Sweet.
Hi, guys.
Paolo.
Hi. Oh!
This
You
is
see, I
Paolo.
fixed my hair for you guys. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Oh, ako nahawakan ko, kayo hindi.
Hi.
Sorry.
Ay, sandali.
Parang kamukha ko sila.
Wait a minute.
Alam mo, sweet.
Wait.
Medyo lumayo ka.
Prangkahan na ito, pinaka-type ko ito.
Wait lang. Teka muna, sandali lang. Bakit kayo meron? Ako walang kiss.
Later.
No, you kiss me now.
You should kiss
You
Carmina
should kiss
also.
me.
Yan, gusto mo yan eh. Oh.
All of you.
Naku, ayan. Ayun, oh. Zoren, oh, yung misis mo, oh.
Wow!
Yung misis ni Zoren, pakis. Naku, headline ka bukas. Carmina Villaruel, pakis sa Yukis.
No. Natakot ka.
Natakot ako. Okay, you're
Ako.
thinking I'm scared.
How's the
Okay.
bingle dance?
Okay, come on. Let's do your dance.
Okay, for
Teach
the bingo
us.
dance, the point is 1, 2, 3, 4, and your hands split, okay? Are you ready?
Okay, ready?
5, 6, 7, 8. Bingo, 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 bingo.
I love it.
Bingo, bingo, bingo.
Yay!
Yun lang pala
Good
yun.
job.
Very good.
And you kids, this is your album, right? It's already out in the market?
Yeah.
Is it already out?
Yes, this is out in the Philippines now, so everyone please buy a copy of this our album.
Yes, and tomorrow is your concert, right?
Yes.
When's your
Well-
concert?
We're having our concert at night.
Yes.
Heaven knows.
It's
Yeah.
tomorrow at the Araneta.
Araneta Coliseum?
Coliseum. So please come out. It's going to be from 7 to 10 p.m. So be surprised with our show. So come out.
It's not too late to get a ticket. Come on, we invite you to all come.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you
very much.
for being here. At mga kapuso, bukas manood na kayo ng concert nila. Thank you so much. Palakpakan natin muli ang
Thank you very
Lucas at can you show us one more
Okay,
dance
okay.
step? Come on, Paolo and Sweet.
Bingle
5,
dance.
6, 7, 8. Bingo, 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 bingo.
Parang alog-alog lang pala ito.
Ayun. Thank you again, you kids.
Thank you.
Magbabalik ako ang Showbiz Live.
Thank you all so much.
Thank you.
Pinapipigil ang paglabas ni Mo Twister sa iba't ibang programa ng TV5.